Hi, in this demo, I'll walk you through the quality process in our Pharma module, which we have built on the top of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. I'll cover the purchase quality check of raw material and packing material that we procure, and the sales quality check of finished goods and semi-finished goods that we produce. Here on the purchase order, when we procure the material gets stored in a particular location in the warehouse, we have named it as quarantine locations. We'll continue doing the GRN by creating inventory put away document. Once the inventory put away document is created in the system, we can enter the quantity to handle fields column here and then post the document. Once the document is posted, means we'll create a GRN document. What system does is it receives the material in the quarantine location and simultaneously moves the material from quarantine location to under test location to do the quality check. This only happens in case of the items which are to be quality checked. All right. So once it has moved to the under test location, system creates the inspection data sheet. Inspection data sheet is a page where the user enters the sample quantity and the sampling result by doing the quality checks is entered on this page. And I scroll down on the line level, you can see that there are some specifications written in the descriptions. The user tests all these specifications and then enter the results on this page itself. Once this is done, we release the document and then post it. Once this document is posted, system creates an inspection receipt. On the inspection receipt page, you can see there is an accepted location and rejected location, and accepted bin quantity and rejected bin quantity. So user will put the materials that has been through quality check through in a particular bin and then post the document. Once the document is posted, system generates a posted inspection receipt, and from here we can generate a report called certificate of analysis. So this is a certificate analysis of the raw materials that we just checked. Now let's start with the sales side of the quality check. It starts from the release production order. Once the finished quantity is produced, that is the finished quantity is updated here on the line level as 330. User can create an inspection data sheet manually by clicking on the action create inspection data sheet. Once that is successfully created, user can then enter the sample quantity on the data inspection sheet page and enter the specifications results that has been performed. Once that is done, inspection data sheet gets released, then it gets posted and inspection receipt is created. In the inspection receipt, accepted bin quantity is entered and this document is released and posted. Once that is done, posted inspection data sheet gets created and certificate of analysis reports can be generated from the system.